Hello everyone, this is Cheryl from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'll be showing you a beautiful unit right here at 365C Sembawang Crescent in District 27. Having just achieved its M.O.P and in its pristine move-in condition, this 93 square meter 4-room flat enjoys convenience to plenty of amenities and facilities nearby. Come, let's go! Sporting soft and gentle tones that are easy on the eyes, with its natural coloured walls and cool dark our living area is the perfect place of comfort to spend time with your loved ones watching TV. Besides keeping the place well ventilated and well lit, being at the highest floor means our windows here give you the best unblocked view of the vibrant surrounding estate. Our open concept kitchen is efficiently designed, complete with tons of functional carpentry and a separate island top that can double up as dining space. At the back here is our service yard, well kept with large windows. Our two common rooms are good size and versatile, with one of the rooms featuring a bed decking to accommodate your queen size bed. The other room has been converted to a dedicated study room, but it can be easily converted back to a bedroom if you wish. Our master suite is lavish, perfect with a bed decking leading you to your king-size bed and an open built-in wardrobe to hang your fashion items. Even with these features, you have plenty of space left over to fit a wall TV feature. We have a pristine master ensuite as well. There are bus stops nearby that will take you to Sembawang MRT on the North-South line in just under 15 minutes. Just downstairs at 365 is Kimli Coffee Shop, with various delicious fare for you to indulge in, along with Prime Supermarket for your weekly grocery needs. Sun Plaza, Sembawang Shopping Centre as well as the new Bukit Canberra Hawker Centre are also nearby, offering more dining and retail options. Canberra Park is right at your doorstep, providing the perfect place to spend your weekends surrounded by nature. We also have a range of schools nearby like Sembawang Secondary, Sembawang Primary and Canberra Primary. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing unit here at 365C Sembawang Crescent. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Cheryl from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division signing off. Bye!